Welcome to SpiceCandies. We're making coconut candies. Very simple, very fast. You have to hurry with this recipe, but very simple and very much a fun project, a great project to have. If you like coconut, that's the way to start. Make your coconut candies. Let's get started. We'll start with 1/3 cup white granular sugar. I'll start with the water as well. 1/8 cups of water. 1. Roughly 2 tablespoons. There we go. And an equal amount of corn syrup. If you're regular to my channel, you've noticed this is not my regular pot. You have to use a thin-walled pot. Otherwise, you'll caramelize your candy. Turn the heat on. Make sure the area that the flame reaches is not on the side of the pot, just beneath it. So you have to center your pot carefully. Give it a good stir. As soon as this reaches 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll turn off the heat. See you in a minute. We've reached the right temperature. We're at 150 degrees Celsius, but I'm not adding the coconut yet. I want to let this cool off to 135 to 140 degrees Celsius, where it will caramelize my coconut. I'll be using this organic coconut butter. You can use any coconut butter you have. One thing you have to know about coconut candies, they're curing really fast and they're caramelizing also really fast. So as soon as I add this in, I'll have to mix it in very fast and pour it and cut the candy because it cures really fast. So I won't be able to show you this process. I'll show you mixing in but not pouring or cutting, which is fairly standard. Take a look at my other videos. It's really simple, it's really easy. We've reached 135 degrees Celsius. I'll pour in the coconut butter, organic. And now I have to be really fast. I'll blend it in. And I'm going to pour it before it caramelizes. So this is our candy. As you can see, it's basically ready, and I just poured it. It took me less than 10 seconds to pour. Then I just put the pot in the sink and ran to cut it because it cures so fast. Even though it's hot, it's really hot, but it's still ready and cured, and as you can hear, it's actually solid already. So that's a downside or drawback to making coconut candies. Still, they're well worth it. Don't delay with these because caramelized coconut is not that nice to have. I'll see you in a few minutes after this cools off and we'll break these apart. Well, our coconut candies have cured and they're ready. I really love these. I highly recommend these. And you could play with the quantities as well. I've used 14 grams of coconut butter. You can use granular coconut as well. I'll show you how to do that in the next video. And any other coconut based ingredients. You can't use the oil. You can, but only a little bit of it because it won't soak up into the candy. So that's a limitation. So coconut oil is fine, but the flavor will be really mild, very gentle, almost pointless, I would say. There we go. Get these into our jar over here. And we're set to go. Before I end this video, I'd like to show you something. This is a new mold I've made. It opens up and they're all connected, so it's easy to wash, easy to handle, easy to oil as well. And the most important part, when you pour these, all you have to do is open all of them at once and the candies are released. So I hope you find some inspiration in this and make your own molds. That's a lot of fun. It did take me quite some time to build it, but it's quite alright. Now don't worry about the nuts, because these are large cookie cutters. You don't want to fill it all up. You just want a flat candy just below the level of these screws. Okay? And you have enough over there. At least 7 to 8 millimeters or so. Your candies should be roughly 3 to 4 millimeters, so you have quite enough space. And there are the holes for the sticks. Open like that. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Do write and let me know what you think about this channel, about the videos, about the things I do. If you have comments, if you have suggestions, if you've made your own candies, I'd really love to hear about it. It does make my day. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you make candies. Have a sweet day.